Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're here today outside of Avenger, Texas to bring you a barndominium that we're calling the Rose of Sharon Barndo. This is a two-story barndominium. You'll see as we take a look at the outside, we've got white exterior walls, we've got a black roof, and then all of our trim all the way around the house is going to be black. Our porch posts right now are not wrapped, but when we come back and do the completed tour, you'll see that those posts will be wood wrapped. We've got white soffits underneath all the porches, and then our windows are black exterior and black interior. We have a beautiful indoor and outdoor fireplace here. We've got an outdoor kitchen area on the back porch, big tall vaulted ceilings in the living kitchen area, and just a beautiful home inside and out. The total square footage for this one is about 3,465 square foot. On the first floor, we've got two bedrooms down there. We've got about 2,740 square foot. We also, on that first floor, attached to that with the heated and cooled, is 725 square foot of workshop and an art studio. And then above the workshop and art studio, we have 725 square foot. That's another bedroom, bathroom, and then our mechanical room and storage area up there. So overall, we've got about 3,465 square foot in this beautiful barndominium. We just finished the sheetrock phase of this one. We're working on trim work now. We've got most of our stone work done. So we wanted to give you guys a tour now, and then we'll come back and show you the completed tour when this one's done. It's going to be really beautiful. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to hear from you in the question and comment area below. If you'd like to check us out on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then of course our website. If you or anybody else you know is interested in getting the process started of making their dream home a reality with us at 1845 Barndominiums, we would love to hear from you. Go to our website, submit a request form, and one of our sales team members will show you how to get that process started. So let's head inside now and take a look at the Rose of Sharon Barndo in Avenger, Texas. All right guys, so as we head inside here, we're going to have a big double door entry into kind of a entryway foyer area right here that's going to take us right into the living and kitchen area. We're going to have a small linen closet here. And then right off that entryway, we're going to have a formal dining room right here. And you're going to see a lot of glass, a lot of windows in this home. We're going to have a lot of natural light in here. Now that dining area, you can see here, we're going to be able to access the butler's pantry, and the pantry is behind this wall over here. And then we're going to have an access into the kitchen area as well. So we're going to have kind of a complete walkthrough from the dining area, kitchen area, and everything else. So as we continue on into the entryway here, now you're going to see, and I'm going to give you the full effect here as best I can. We've got a huge fireplace here. These are 16-foot tall walls vaulted at the top. We've got fixed windows up top and down low. So again, you're going to have a lot of natural light coming in here. So we've got our living area, and you can see our double doors here to take us out to the outdoor kitchen area, big 16-foot back porch. And then we're going to have our kitchen area right here. And again, 16-foot tall walls with vaulted ceilings there. Now in the kitchen area, we are going to have a 9x5 island right here. You can see the plumbing and electrical for that. And then we'll have cabinetry along the back wall and the side wall. And so off the kitchen area, like we talked about with the dining, we're going to have a butler's pantry and then a pantry area. In the butler's pantry here, we'll have cabinetry along the wall there and countertop. And then we'll be able to go right into the pantry area here. I do believe we're going to have a little bit of cabinetry countertop area here as well. We'll see what the customer picked out and designed there. Again, kind of along those lines, we try to let our customers take care of their own cabinetry design and what they want. We don't want to be cookie cutter. We don't want to tell them what they have to put in there. We are basically just kind of designating how much space we have, what their linear footage is, and then we get them set up with the cabinet company and let them decide what they're going to put, how their setup is going to look. Now off the living room here, we do have another small bedroom. Overall, this house is going to have 3 bedrooms in it. So right here on the front, big tall double windows here. We do have another bedroom area here with a small closet in there for guests. And so from the living room area here, I'm going to show you the view from the fireplace there. And then we're going to head back to the master area. So from here, just off the kitchen, we're going to have master bedroom. We've got our laundry room area. We have another half bath tucked back here. And then we'll take you upstairs in just a second and show you the third bedroom. So from the master, you can see a lot of glass here, a lot of light in the master bedroom. We do have vaulted ceilings here in the master, so it really opens up the space pretty well. And then as we go in, now before I leave here, I want to pan around and show you, we do have access to the outdoor patio area from the master. So we do have a big tall glass door there, so we can get out to the back porch area. Also from the master bathroom here, we have another access point outside. So we're going to have toilet area here. And then we'll have sink vanity back there. Large master shower right here. And then vanity area there. And I believe I misspoke. I want to go back because I'm incorrect. So we're going to have vanity there, shower right here, another vanity there, and I apologize, this is going to be a freestanding tub. I'm sorry, I saw the drain there, didn't pay attention. That is going to be a freestanding tub, and we do have a window there over that tub. This is going to be our toilet room here, or our water closet there, and then we have a linen closet also in the master here. Now one thing they've done here is we have his and hers closets, but they are connected by a doorway. So both of them have their own doorway off the master bath right there. And then we have a large doorway here that they can both come through and exit. And from the closets in this floor plan, really good design, we come from the closets, I believe, if memory serves me correct, we're going to have cabinetry along that wall. This is our laundry room. We're going to have cabinetry here along this wall. We're going to have a sink vanity right here. And then we'll have our washer and dryer here along this wall. Now, really cool addition, and you can hear our trim guys are working today, so just bear with us. We've got a workshop built in here and an art studio built in here. So if we pan around here real quick, you can see we've got a big open workshop area with a storage closet there. And this is included in the heated and cooled space. And then as we come through here, you're going to see this is going to be a really cool room. This is going to be an art studio. Notice all the glass and the natural light in here. This is the front of the home. We also have an exit right here out the front of the home. So this is about 725 square foot that's added with the workshop and the art studio here. And then our guest room is going to be directly above that. So I'm going to take you upstairs now. We're going to come out of the laundry room. And just behind our kitchen area right here, we're going to head upstairs and show you our loft area. We're going to have a full bedroom up here, vaulted ceilings. This is a really good guest space up here. Again, a lot of natural light. Fixed windows there on the side. We've got a big closet space there. We do have a full bathroom right here. We've got a tub shower combo in that one. And then this is going to be kind of double. This is going to be a mechanical room and also have some storage So it is finished out in there as far as the walls, so that we've got some extra storage space in there. So let's go ahead and head back downstairs. All right, so from the bottom of our stairs, one last thing I wanted to show you guys as we come through the living room area. I really wanted to show you guys this back porch area. We're gonna have big French doors right here to take us out. This porch is roughly 16 foot deep. And we do have, not a complete wraparound, but the right side of the home over there we do have a porch on the side there that's about 8 foot deep. But we do have outdoor fireplace here. It's a gas fireplace. We're gonna have cooktop area there. And I believe we're gonna have a big green egg mounted in there as well. And there you can see our access into the master bedroom. So this is gonna be a really cool space that they're gonna be able to use here with a beautiful view off the back porch. So that's pretty much gonna do it for today. Again, this is the Rose of Sharon Barndominium outside of Avenger, Texas. We've got 3 bedrooms and we've got 1, 2.5 bath in here with a workshop and studio. Excited to bring you guys this Barndominium. We'll be back once we get this thing completed. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour here at Avenger of the Rose of Sharon Barndominium. This is an absolutely gorgeous build. It's going to be really nice when we come back and show you the completed tour. We've got huge 16-foot tall vaulted ceilings in the living and kitchen area. We've got vaulted ceilings in the master, his and hers closets. The art studio and the workshop are going to be really cool additions to this house. And of course, the outdoor patio behind me here is going to be really beautiful. So we're going to come back when we finish this one and give you a completed tour, show you all the trim work that's still to be done, all these wrap posts, all the intricate details that the homeowner has in store for us to finish out this Barndo. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to hear from you guys in the question or comment area below. If you'd like to check us out on social media, we've got TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then, of course, if you or anybody you know would like to get started making their dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums, check us out at 1845barndominiums.com. Submit a request form, and one of our sales team members would be happy to get in touch with you and show you how to get that process started. Again, this is the Rose of Sharon Barndo in Avenger, Texas. Going to be a beautiful build. We'll see you guys next time.